Sanibonani, ngiyathemba ukuthi ngiyaphila. Mkhulodla Ngonyezi lo, Ngonyamabelusi. So, namhlanje ake ngikhulume nje ngami kakhulu, ngeke ngikhulume nje ngami. So, ngeke ngiqale la. Ukuze ngifike nje esithunweni noma ngizazi ukuthi nginedlozi. The only thing eyenzeka ekukhuleni kwami the time nje ngangisamncane kakhulu. Kodwa into engiyibonile empilweni yami yenzeka, I was so connected nesonto. Ngiwashintshile amasonto guys, kaningi ngiyangena la ngiyabhoreka, ngize ngala ngibhoreke. Nginyanye kwesinye isikhathi kunginqene futhi kuyakuleli isonto. Mase sengifikile futhi sekumnandi futhi uyabona. Ayikho inkonzo engayahambanga, ngaya kaShembe, Zayoni, ngabasindisiwe. Ngile nje sometimes ngithatha umuntu asasamthatha into lami yabo ngihambe nje ngibe ngumuntu oyawongena emasontweni. But into yami yaqala la ukuthi ngangithanda ukuba ngedwa. When I'm alone, I used to read the Bible. I used to connect with the Matthew chapter. Ngifunda izwi lelo, ngilifundele izwi yabona ngaso sikhathi nje in my room there was no TV. Ekhaya ngangahlali nabo. I was like alone. I was so connected with iBhayibheli. So iBhayibheli ngilifundile kakhulu, ngalifunda iBhayibheli yabo. But I don't know ukuthi and nama ngizibuza ukuthi why I'm so connected with the Bible. And before me going to church, I told God, okay, because I don't know you, and I keep on hearing people's like talking about testimonials about God, but I never had this testimonial about God. So there was this one time in the morning, so I was about to go to church. It was the first time for me going to church, like church. Then the reason why I decided to go to church on that Sunday, it's because I woke up with a dream, and I know the dream, and I know the church actually, where is it? So I said, let me just go, maybe because I'm dreaming about this church, let me just go. But I just told myself, like, why I have to go to church? Why I have to? I was so curious about myself, like, why I have to go to church? Why I'm dreaming about church? So there was this one time in the morning, then I kneeled down. So I said to God, I had a dream about the church. I'm going to church. But if you are really a living God, but you can't just show yourself as you uNkulunkulu kimi. So uyazi kwenzakalani guys. I said to God, anginayo imali yokunikela ne, but in order for me to praise you, mengiphuma lemnyango ngihamba ngisontweni, there must be someone to give me a coin so that will prove that you are the living God. Guys, like ngahamba ngaya ngaze ngafika esontweni, and in the road, it's a short distance from home. I used to walk when I go to church. So mengihamba the first day, I was looking down to see if there is coin. God behaves to give me coin, because I said when I was kneeling down, I told God, I said, if I don't get this coin today, it will be the last time for me to go to church, and I won't believe in you, and I will not praise you. Okay, ngaphuma ngahamba ngaya esontweni. I was walking in the road, and the time I was walking, I was just looking down, see if there is any coin that I was able to find and to see somewhere. Nothing. So like people, they were greeting me, Njani, yapila. So I thought like someone, he or she will give me a coin. Okay, I was like, okay, God was lying to me. Okay, there's no God. If someone greets me, I think maybe there's someone who will give me a coin. Unfortunately, no one like gave me a coin that time. until ngaze ngafika esontweni. So uma ngifika esontweni, okay, saqala sasonta. People that were looking at me like, oh, who's this, like the new person in this church and so on. Okay, fine. So kwafika isikhathi ke la sokuthandaza ne, sathi sokuthandaza like sokunikela actually. Basukuma ke abantu banikela, and mina I don't have a coin for kunikela, leli ngicela uNkulunkulu ne. So guys, you'll be so shocked who stood up that time. You will be so shocked. I was in the second line of the chairs, and there was the third queue going straight to the altar, where you have to give offering from whatever that you need. So is Zion Church, okay? So I stood up. The time I stood up. The pastor stood up and came straight to me, and he gave me a coin and said, "My daughter, Hambo Nikela." I was like, I took the coin, and it was so unbelievable, because I said to God, if I don't get this coin today, because it's the first time for me going to church, I will never praise you. And I want you to prove that you are really God. Then I took the coin. And guys, I won't lie to you, I cried inside, and my eyes turned red, because it was so emotional. This is like, oh my God, God is real. Like this was the emotional thing in my life ever. That is why I was like, God is next to me. God can prove himself like so quick. But you know what God did? He made me not to get the money while I was going to church. He wanted, like, I was starting to losing hope, ne? And I was starting to speak bad about God, like I will never go to church. It's the last time, because the time I was entering into the gates, I was like, okay, suthi ngiphinde ngisonte, because sengize ngafika esontweni, I'm not receiving any coin. I don't see any coins in the floor. So it was so unbelievable, because I took the coin. I said the time, because when in Zion you just have to mention what you need while you're holding your coin, and then you place it there in your whatever bowl they use. So I took the coin. I said, God, I believe in you. Thank you so much. I need a good life and a protection. And then I placed it. So mangibeka ke imali ngabuyela on the seats, like ngangimbuka lo mfundisi, like umfundisi uNkulunkulu ufika kumfundisi wamtshela ukuthi umntana kanamali, but uNkulunkulu, he proved himself ukuthi he's alive. Even though I can't see him, he's next to me. So that is where I started believing in God, because that time I told myself, it's okay. uNkulunkulu, I didn't pray a lot. I didn't pray so deep, like, God, I need that. I said, God. I was speaking, like, God, I'm going to church. If I don't get this coin today, because I don't, like, guys, I was so broke that time. I didn't have any coin or any R1 in my pockets. So, but I wake up with the dream, it says, I have to go to church. Yeah, I went there. So God proved himself to me that he's real. And the only thing engayifunda at that time ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhuluma naye, not ukumpraise, respond so quickly. It's like usukhuluma nomuntu nixoxela, ne? It's not about being like praying. You see, you're sweating now. You're raising hands. You're shaking. Oh God, no. She's in evening. It's not like that. When you talk to God, you speak as if like it's your friend. You're sharing something. You want something from your friend. God is like my friend. uNkulunkulu ngaba ngafunda indlela ngahlakanipha njengomntwana ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhuluma naye kanje. uNkulunkulu ukhuleka nje normally. You don't like raise voice and shout. Ukhuluma kahle, and that is where you receive bigger things. Uyazi ukuthi mina ukufunda kwami lokho kwangenza ukuthi yonke into engiyifisayo empilweni yenzeke. uNkulunkulu mina ngafunda uNkulunkulu ukuthi akaphenduli for iminyaka, uphendula manje. And uNkulunkulu mina uphendula manje. If it's not today but tomorrow. Bengicela into ngithi Nkosi, I'm hungry, I'm broke, I'm sad. Give me happiness again. I need to live the way I need to live. uNkulunkulu wasiveza so much to me ukuthi uyaphila, unguNkulunkulu ophilayo. And angikwazi ukufundisa omunye umuntu, someone mhlawumbe ngunina njengamanje khona ungapick up nento engishoyo ayizame imsebenzele. Mhlawumbe umuntu uzohluleka ngoba yabo asikhulumi ngendlela efanayo, asikwazi ukubekezela, but into isuka ephi? Enhlizweni. Nginenhliziyo yami imhlophe. And mina I told myself ukuthi uNkulunkulu, I will make so much ukuthi ngingabi nama sins kakhulu. We do have sins, but mina kunezinto engingazenza ezimbi engacasula uNkulunkulu. I treat people good. I take care of people. I take care of myself. And you will be so shocked again. The time I didn't have a son, I had a daughter. I said, God, I need to have a beautiful son one day. I need to have a smart son, strong, the son that will help me, protect me. And I was not in the relationship, guys. I wasn't in the relationship, but you'll be so shocked. I had a beautiful son, a beautiful child, and my son became very more beautiful. People like, oh my God, is this a son? It's a man, or it's a boy or girl? It's a boy. Hey, no man, you're lying. This is a girl. My son, he became the way I ask from God. Uhlakaniphile as well. He's very smart. He's so helpful to me. He's a decent man. He acts like a man while he is 4 years. So I said, God, thank you. God, this is what I asked, and you gave it to me. So into ngicela uNkulunkulu ngiyayicela from the reason. Ngiyayicela from the reason, and ngiyayicela ne. So kuningi engicelile uNkulunkulu wakufeza. Yabo. So nawe into mayicela ayisuke from your heart, and leyo nto izokwenzeka exactly as it is. So uzobona nje, you will always be the good person ngaphambi ukuthi wenze izinto ezingenasidingo. Uyazi ukuthi kunomuntu okugayidile in life, kunomuntu okukhanyiselayo. Experienced with God. Then after I grew up and know that God, He always on my side. He always on my side. So the time I was young, I had so much connection with God. I always sleep with prayer. I always wake up with prayer. So ngakhula ngaloyo ndlela. So ekukhuleni kwami, things became so easy. Mina, I won't lie, angizange ngiphile kanzima, even though I experienced this pain, to lose parents, to lose every people engibathandayo empilweni yami. This was a painful thing. So kodwa I told God, I don't have a parents. Can you be my parent? Can you make sure I don't starve? I can able to have things. I can get a job. If kuphuma la kungene lokho, if uqhamuka lokho kuze ngala, can I have those things? Yeah. So I had those things and everything. So the time I was growing, and I had so much deepest dreams you can ever think of, about healing, about being a healer, about like izinto nje about heaven. I used to dream a lot of things about heaven, hidden things about heaven. Cause I was so connected with God. God was showing me ukuthi ezulwini how it look like, abantu abangasekho bayaphi. There's a type of angel that we have. There are different colors of angels. So I connected so deeply with God because of me showing so much connection to Him. So ngakhula ke ngazazi ngawazi amaphupho, and I had this ekhaya. We had this some of the things that we used to do spiritually, as where we talk with these angoma to protect our home, to do us cleansing yearly. But I never had my own cleansing, like something that is like on myself. So there was this one time where I did my own cleansing because I wanted to cleanse for one thing that happened. So I cleansed my body. So once I cleansed my body, that day I came back to home. It's where ngavukwa idlozi. Melivuka idlozi, livuka idlozi lami ezimuntu oyisangoma ne. And melivuka idlozi lami, livuka idlozi lami not because ukuthi mhlawumbe khona into yangiphatha kabi or something, but idlozi lami lavukwa liphakame ngoba ngaqala ngabona amathongo abantu abadala endlini, ngabona ama-shadows, ngezwa nje izinto ey'ningi nje, umsindo kube ngathi ula endlini kodwa into ekude ne. Ngathuka, ukuthuka kwami ngavukwa idlozi, lavuka-ke idlozi kanjalo. So this is how I experienced ukuvukelwa umoya kwaqala. So mangiqala vele isithunywa vele saphakama kakhulu, kwangena wamakhehla khuleka yabo, and I'm still using the Bible that I'm using. Yabo ngaqala ngabona izinto, then ngaqala ngaboniswa yabo. But the only thing my spirit at the time was so obsessed in healing. So if I see you like ngiyabona ukuthi ngibona into ethize kumuntu manje, kube ngathi umuntu khona inkukhu like next to the person, engathi umuntu ngibona amanzi geleze, sho umuntu maybe need a cleansing, idlozi liyakhuluma kumina in my mind and saying this is this and this and this. Like it was crazy. So if ngiqala umuntu ngiyamtshela how like this is what I see on you, umuntu athi awuyazi like so how can you help me? So I said no, it's okay, I'll help you, take you to the water. And I never took anyone to the water. Ngahamba, ngakhuleka, ngabika. And I told my ancestors, said I never cleansed someone before, I never healed, I never prayed for somebody before. But I know I had the power of doing that from God and your ancestors. So I told God, can you just give me something to heal? I told my ancestors where I said, there's something ezolapha abantu. So idlozi langitshela ukuthi okay, ubalapha kanje, uzofaka u1 u2 no3 no4 no5 no6, uzohamba wendaweni ethize uthenga impande kanje, iyona impande ozobalapha ngayo le. So I started doing that. So lapho bengakathwasi guys, ngaqala ngalapha mina. They didn't do like lo idlozi langizilingisa ngihamba ukhule entabeni yini amajazi nani. I had this one bite. This is my first bite that I had in my life, and this was the one that I was wearing each and every time, and I had just one bead in my hand. So ijazi nje ayingakafiki, but amajazi afika before sengiqalile ukulapha, after sengiqalile ukulapha. Then I started like healing people using amajazi after. Honestly, ngiqale ukulapha using a Bailey on this one, and I had this only one, but all I knew, I had power to destroy, to bring luck, to pray for somebody, because the powers, they are in me, and I still feel that that's my ancestors, they are through me, and they are so much in me. And if I lay hands for somebody, uzophila, because unomoya vele that is so obsessed to heal. My grandma is so obsessed to heal. till today I enjoy healing people so much. Mina ngabuya ngisho ngo-4 ekuseni ngihambe ekuseni ngilapha abantu because into yaqala kudala. So ukulapha ngaba obsessed mina in the week ngivuka idlozi ukuthi okay idlozi lami liyangithuma manje. So vele I will meet people, abantu they will approaching me say can you sometimes I can see things and I speak to you like this is what I see to you, you have to do this, kwayinto enjalo ngakhula without kakhulu wangakabi khona into zo TikTok kakhulu in I was on even on social media. I was healing people nearby my area because the Dlozi was connecting me with those people. Okay, kwaba into kanjalo. So idlozi liyakhula but idlozi lingifice vele ngikholelwa uNkulunkulu, ngangena noNkulunkulu kwangena ithunywa zami nedlozi lami kwahlangana vele bangikhulisile. Sho say they were training me and God will be training me through prayer. One day I will pray for people. So ngisenze kakhulu ngisithunywa, ngaqala ngasenza ngisithunywa kakhulu. Yeah, kwamnandi nje ukulapha guys, kwamnandi kulapha kumnandi. And the only thing that I told God, I said, God, with power that you're giving me, I accept it naturally, and I will protect my power. I will make sure I'm a good healer to your people, and I'll make sure I will be a hard worker as well. I will come up with different things to do, spiritually. So nje ngaba umuntu onamaphupho, ngayitshela ukuthi whatever ngizoyenza it will be God inside. Whatever nkulumo ezoyikhuluma, there will be God inside. And that time I wanted to do I wanted to open a YouTube where I have to share more beauty. I used to love doing makeup, doing like hairstyles. Like I was that type of person, I was enjoying like to do something in my body, like beauty and everything. So I understand that it's okay. Sometimes it's sometimes they love glossy things, So I enjoy doing those things. So I said, no, I will open a YouTube channel where I share my beauty, makeup skills and styles or whatever. So, but the time I wanted to do that, the time it was Langena, then I said to myself, I'm no longer opening this. I will open and talk about spirituality. I will talk about the things that I did, the things that I experienced, and share. So kumnandi ngi-enjoyile namanje ngisa-enjoy ukuba nedlozi. Kumnandi angeke ngize ngilekise umuntu because into yafika naturally, eyavuka nje naturally, and I accepted it as umntwana kamoya. So ngiyacela if usadidekile awuyiqale lento wedwa, ukhule nawe understand. Ngiyabona umuntu mase understand usengahamba akhule, athole amandla aye phambili, athole the guidance of that. So mina as umuntu onesithunywa, I'm willing to assist kakhulu abantu abanesithunywa because ngihambe kakhulu ngesithunywa, ngis-understandile, ngisiqala isithunywa ngingakangena edlozini, ngakholwa uNkulunkulu, ngamazi uNkulunkulu, waziveza uNkulunkulu kumina. Kwaba easy ukuthi enganeni zakhe azoyiletha egulayo ngikwazi ukuyisiza, ngikwazi ukwezeluleka ngoba nami ngidlulile enhluphekweni. Ubani umuntu ongisizile? uNkulunkulu. So into kanjalo ngifunde ngisho ukukhuleka. Idlozi langitshela this is how you pray, hayi lo mthandazo othandazayo. So kuningi uzokufunda endleleni yakho. So if umuntu manje uqala isithuma, sibheke manje ukuthi are you really connected with God? Why kunzima kulento kamoya? Mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu axhumene naye. Mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu ayikho indaba osekwayidlulisela kuyena. Ayikho inkulumo eseyafika kuyena. So kunenkulumo lefika kuNkulunkulu. Okay, so awuyibheke lapho. So thank you for having me. Ngiyacela emakhaya sina uNkulunkulu simekhonze, simesabe, simhloniphe, namathongo akithi uqobo niwahloniphe amathongo akini, nami awami ngizowahlonipha ngasonke isikhathi. Ngenza abakushoyo futhi abantu abadala ngoba bayizithunywa ey'mpilweni zethu. Bathunywa bani? uNkulunkulu. Sinxusa-ke namhlanje amandla nothando nenjabulo emakhosini. Ayede. See you next time.